Are you a parent aspiring for your child to join the defense forces and your kids also wants to prepare for the armed forces and build officer-like qualities in them? Then me and my fellow veterans have something very interesting for your child. I am Harish Parthan and I am the founder of Kovai Defense Academy, Armed Forces Preparatory School. I am a corporate trainer and a life coach who has been teaching corporates, young adults and kids for the past 20 years. I have given several personality development courses, career development workshops and counseling sessions for more than 5,000 aspirants. Throughout my experience, I have observed that the children tend to absorb information most effectively when they are engaged in enjoyable and interactive environment. We are organizing Finding Your Inner Hero, a personality development camp with defense veterans. It's a summer camp that combines the expertise of defense veterans and a personality coach. This workshop of ours with experienced life coaches and defense veterans assist children in developing a positive personality that become ingrained habits and a lifetime imprint over the time. I invite you all for it. In this workshop, Kovai Defense Academy, the Armed Forces Preparatory School, will be providing your children a residential program with exciting activities and engaging sessions to ignite the passion in our little ones. It is a 6-day packed workshop will make your children understand their personal strengths and weaknesses, leadership development, resilience training, goal setting, character building, mindfulness and self-awareness, and many team building activities. We provide excellent accommodation with nutritious meals is an essential part of creating a positive and supportive environment for the aspirants. Again, I invite you to join our academy for Finding Your Inner Hero, a personality development camp with defense veterans. Join us in empowering our children for a bright, brilliant future, and let's give them the tools and guidance they need to become their own heroes. Jai Hind.